Hey, so it's May, which means it's tourist season. Of course, I won't let my week pass by without enjoying it. So here we are exploring a new place, trying something new, and well, just celebrating the week the way we imagined it. Anyway, welcome to the vlog.
Your destination is on the left.
To be honest, I never thought that I'd end up sitting in a helicopter for an aerial tour. Not in this lifetime. And yet, here we are doing something out of the ordinary. To witness this breathtaking view and learn more about the island made me realize how blessed we are to be in this moment. Felt dizzy, yes, but looking at these cliffs, I can't help but feel in awe with what we've seen from a bird's eye view. Certainly a sight I'll never forget. Okay, so we're done with our helicopter tour. We did a 45-minute tour of the island. It's a really great once in a lifetime experience because you'll get to see different parts of the island you'll never ever get to see by car or by foot because it's inaccessible. Just like Jurassic Falls, so the only way for you to go there is riding a helicopter, and then they'll stop by the falls and you'll get to see, take pictures of the place. We also got to see Napali Coast. Napali Coast is one thing I really want to see here in the island, and there are two ways, or actually three ways for you to go there. One would be the helicopter tour, second would be by boat, and lastly days worth of hike. And we're not gonna do the hike because it's gonna take days and we don't have the luxury of time to actually do that one. So yeah, and as much as I really want to say that I completely enjoy this tour, I just didn't. Honestly, I got dizzy in the middle of the tour. It actually felt like we were riding a roller coaster. The helicopter was turning around, and then it would ascend and then descend. The helicopter would tilt a little bit, and that's one thing I really hate, to the point that it would make me feel dizzy. I was just trying to hold my shit together because I didn't want to vomit. I didn't want to ruin this experience, but yeah, I wasn't fully enjoying it. Glad I was able to take some videos of the places we passed by, but still it's not something I would want to do again in this lifetime. So yeah, for now we're just gonna sit in the car and recover from that bumpy ride. Technically it's not bumpy, but for us it's bumpy, so
But if I could get an email, excuse me, a phone number.
Yeah, sure. It's okay. I will let the clips do most of the talking, but just a quick narration of what happened. We were given this accessible room located on the ground floor since it was the only room ready. For context, we asked to check in 30 minutes early, and the front desk negotiated with us whether we want to wait until our check-in time or grab the aforementioned room. It was an easy decision to make since we wanted to settle in and rest up. We are doing a quick exploration of the resort, and it's quite massive as compared to the one in Koipu. Okay, so we finally made it to our villa. Like, we've settled in and everything. And right now we're just waiting for the time before our dinner reservation at One Kitchen. We're just like chilling outside because it's not too hot here and it feels so relaxing. Yo, so we're back in the hotel room or in the villa, and as you can see, I'm carrying a bunch of stuff here. So these are the items that I got from different stores, ABC store and Ross. So here I'm holding the essential ones, and here I'm holding the non-essential ones. Okay, so let's start with the essential ones. We got ourselves toothbrushes. So we didn't bring our toothbrush because it's due for changing anyway, so that's why we decided to just buy. Yeah, we got it from ABC store. Next is sunscreen. So I bought this one in ABC store together with the toothbrush, and I've seen videos on TikTok that it's actually a good idea to buy sunscreen from Hawaii or here in Hawaii because the ingredients infused in their sunscreen is safe for the coral reefs. I hope I'm right. So yeah, but yeah, we didn't bring any sunscreen anyway, so might as well just buy one. Okay, so another thing I got from ABC store is this beach towel. So we have a beach towel in our apartment, but we forgot to bring it with us. So that's why we decided to just buy one. And it's so cute because it's Hello Kitty as well. There were like other prints, but I wanted the Hello Kitty because it's unique and also it's just so cute. As you can see, Hello Kitty here is tan. She's literally a Hawaiian girl. And then on this side right here, see, it's still Hello Kitty, but she's wearing a bathing suit. Here, in my basket bag, is another Hello Kitty. So I got a keychain attached to my beach bag. And by the way, this beach bag is from Suzanne, if I pronounced the name correctly. I so love this beach bag. So it's the first time I've used it since I got it last month. I was actually planning to buy this one because we were planning to visit Princeville anyway. So yeah, and I didn't have a beach bag with me. I didn't want to like abuse my other bags because those aren't meant for the beach. Lastly, I got two things from Ross. I forgot my hairbrush, so I had to grab it outside. So I got this white polo. It's pretty unique. I was actually looking for a plain white polo. Like, I didn't care whatever brand that is, as long as it's like a white one, because I saw like a bunch of pictures on Pinterest on how to style with your swimwear on, you get what I mean. And the moment I entered Ross, I found this one. So for the price, I got it for 20.99. Yeah, and then the original price is like 119, so it's such a great steal. I have this hairbrush here. So this is from Wet Brush, and yeah, I still got it from Ross. Hopefully it'll help tame my hair somehow. But yeah, I got this one for almost $6, so it's 5.99. Original price is $10. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna rest up a bit and prepare later for our dinner reservation at 7:30. So we are heading to One Kitchen, which is 8 minutes away from our villa. It's not really that far, and I just want to take a bath, like a quick bath, because my body feels sticky, and I've been wearing like the same thing since this morning. So yeah. Time check is 11:41 and we are heading to Java Kai. So Java Kai is pretty much close to Hanalei Bay. So we're gonna get our brunch there, and then after we're heading to the beach. The weather is pretty great today. It's not hot, it's cloudy. Probably it'll rain in a while, but I don't know, we'll see. Gimana siya, oh? We're currently at Anini Beach, so we didn't push through with Hanalei Bay because we just read the news that Hanalei Bay is not open for swimming due to the constant rain we got from the last few days, and it greatly affected the quality of the water. So as of now, the water there is brown. That's why they're not advising the public to actually go for a swim there. Well, like most of the beaches around this area is not open for the public except for Anini Beach. Yeah, it's more or less the same as the beach in the Philippines with the white sands and pristine water. So yeah, I'm pretty much enjoying this one because it's not something I often see in the mainland. And yeah, I just want to make the most out of it. Today is actually our last full day here. Tomorrow we are mostly gonna explore, although we're gonna check out, but the hotel has this hospitality offer wherein we can take a shower, leave our things, although we've already checked out. Probably we're just gonna visit Hanalei Bay, but like I said, we can't go for a swim there. Yeah, just take some pictures and appreciate the view. So I believe it's almost 3 p.m. We are planning to leave Anini Beach by 3:30 and head back to our hotel or our villa. We didn't get to wake up early this morning, so that's why we weren't able to go for a swim. So we're gonna do that later, before our dinner with our friend slash former co-worker. Okay, so it's close to 10 and we are checking out since the checkout time is 10, and then we're gonna look for a breakfast spot because we need coffee and food. Also, I wasn't feeling good last night. I don't know, probably because of the food I ate. Anyway, we need to head out. We don't want to be charged extra for overstaying in the villa.
And yeah, we're ending this week or our vacay week with a quick stop to Costco to get some groceries and bringing our schedule back to default setting. It was definitely a week well spent in the island, and I couldn't be happier celebrating my birthday exactly how I want it to be, chill and memorable.